All right, again, good afternoon. Today is December 14, 2025. And we're going to show now an addition to our analysis. We are Forex day by day. We track the market minute by minute, and we adding a new all element, which is Astro trading forecasting. Astro trading forecasting to our system. This will tell us uh, what's going on in the market, not only day by day, but very long cycles. Okay. Before I start, let's look at the disclaimer. All right. And on that, subscribe. People, if you like this analysis, subscribe. It's free, 100% free. And if you like it too, give me a thumbs up so I can grow my channel in YouTube. All right, let's see it. This is what we use. This software is called Astrolog 780, and they don't pay me for anything. This is a free software, so you can install it and start messing with these lines. At first, I didn't, uh, I didn't understand how it's possible that energies of planets around the solar system can affect a computer system. If you believe that it's somebody looking at graph in somewhere, you're out of your mind. All the trade is done by computers. So how the hell any energy can affect a machine? In my head, up to a point is not conceivable. All right? But nevertheless, I keep my mind open because I believe in angles. Angles are relevant in any science. I work in refrigeration for a long time. We do calculations or air ducts. If you don't have the angle calculated properly for the mass of air you are moving, you're going to make so much noise in that place that it's insane. Not only that, it's going to create turbulence, and the amount of air that's supposed to go through a window is going to go either too fast or too low. So angles are very relevant. If you're gonna do a concrete floor and you don't put a kind of a steel, and it's called there is support steel and there is expansion steel, and this support steel had to be a certain degree and a certain distance from the bearing wall. Those are angles. If that is not in place, this concrete floor will collapse. We work with a magnetic field. If you move almost almost irrelevant. You cannot even see it. If you move the magnetic field, this electric motor is not going to run. All right. If you use the wrong wire for electricity, from the compressor to the electricity, if you run the wrong calculation of thickness of wire, that will burn. So there is a connection between every angle. The angles are very relevant in any science. All right. Okay, this is what I believe. Independently of the energy that we don't know, because the reality is we do not know. We do not know more than the things we think we know. Okay? Now, let me not go deeper than that. I'm just telling you the rationality for me to look at these angles here. This is happening right now. I am in New York City. It's December 14, almost 5 o'clock. The market will open about 6. And this is what we have. Now, what does this mean when you see these red lines like this, these formations like that? There is, well, let me show you, people. This is insane. If you look this, it's called aspect. You see how many aspects there are in there? But these 3 here are the strongest aspect and correspond to a different angle. 0 degree, 180 degree, and 90 degree. When the planets are within this context, some weird shit start happening. I'm sorry for my French. Okay. Okay. What's going on right now in this Eastern New York time? All right. We have this. This is called a square. When the planets are at 90 degrees to each other, we can also see another thing going on in the background, but let's concentrate on this. What does this mean? All right. Let's find out, people. Boom. Since this is here, let me jump this step to go to the moon positioning. All right. Gang square 9. You know what Gang was? Famous mathematician that developed this chart here. These charts tell me where very relevant area of support and resistance are. He took a pyramid. Can you see it? A pyramid? This is the top of the pyramid. And he started calculating a spiral like that. And I don't know what calculation he did. He discovered that with the, not the planet, when the price is on those lines, 45 degrees, 180 degrees, these are heavy duty areas of support and resistance. On top of that, it tells you the moon position. You see, moon waning crescent. From this point all the way to the new moon is waning crescent. What does that mean? Potential downturn. Some believe the waning energy can lead to decline. Market activity or price drop as momentum shift from the full moon peak towards the new moon top. And what do we see in the market, people? Am I crazy here? This is the whole market is going down. Dow Jones is going down. SP 500 goes down. Oil is going down. Nasdaq is going down. Holy crap, man! What a coincidence! Again, how many times a coincidence before it become a pattern? What do we do in trading? We look for patterns everywhere. All right. So what's going on in the gold, for example, right now? Let's see it. The price is overextended to the upside. This is a polynomial channel. The first step in my system is to identify where the price is, if it's oversold or overbought. And I can see here, this is overbought like crazy. I'm sitting down here because, whoa, the bars. Okay, hang on, people. Let me take care of this. That happens every time the market goes down. All right, here we go. So we have, this is my entrance. I use an oscillator. So still, I don't have signal to the downside. But according to what I see, the price is overbought. So I have an expectation or see a sell in gold here. And when you compare this with this is only one thing. All right. We see momentum shift is matching what I see. Wow, I clicked something else. Hang on. Whoops. I got to tell you something, people, that it really blows my mind. How is possible that we have so much testicular fortitude to try to trade with these junk computers? It blows my mind, right? I don't know what's going to happen in a few years because I believe 100% that artificial intelligence is going to take over this. Everything that I do here can be done by a software and projected into this screen here. So I don't have to mess looking for this line or this line or this line. So what's going on, I don't know, man. I think we'll be out of business, us as a traders. I don't know. Because at first, people, all the advertising you see, oh yeah, we generate expert advisors. And expert advisor is one thing, and artificial intelligence is another thing. It's astronomically different, and it's astronomically expensive. Because artificial intelligence is learning. Expert advisors are not learning. They are executing. When this line crosses this line, buy. When this happens, sell. He's not learning anything. All right? So, nevertheless, I digress. Drinking some Bustelo here. Oh, man, coffee is beautiful. All right, what do we see right now? We see that we are in this area. Oops. In this area here. That tells me market is going down. Market is going down. we actually see it. That the whole market right across the board is going down. Can you see it down here? Dow Jones down, SP 500 down, oil down, Nasdaq down. So we see that is a correlation between these calculations and what's going on in the market. Okay. Now there is other formations here, which are these when the planets get together. This is conjunction. All right. What does that mean? Let's see it. Oh no, this is the moon. Let's talk about a square. Astro trading. When the moon is in waxing aspect, we saw it. When planets are a square. A square. Planets are a square. Let me go. Boom. Planets are is a square. Planets are a square. Square? No. Oh, brother. Okay, let's see. In financial theory, the planets are in a square aspect, not a square, a square, a square. All right. The square aspect, tension, conflict, market impact. Astrologers who use this method often think alignments are signal of potential turning points. People, increased market turbulence, tension may be led to trend reversal. Holy crap, man! And we actually see it. We actually see it. We have the expectations to see a reversal here. Is that a coincidence? I don't know. Like I say, I'll be using this for about 2 or 3 days. The dark vertical lines are moon change. I don't care what moon change is. I just need to know it's a change. And you see the response. Market going down, market goes up. This is another change, and this is the big one. Okay? So I can see in a very few days that there is a relevance between this formation here in astro analysis and what's going on in the market right now. All right, let's move this forward to see what we can expect in this week. 14, I'm going to move forward the graphic. 14, 15, look at that. 16, that square is bad, people. 16, 17, reversal, 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 reversal. 25, December, Christmas. Still, holy, look at these planets getting together here. This is a massive, massive reversal here, people. Now, at this point, I don't want to go too far into the thing, but I can tell you right now, it looks like the market is going to be going down for a while. All right. All right, again, this is only an introduction of what we're doing in Forex Day by Day. Look for my channel. It's called Forex Day by Day in YouTube. And subscribe so you can receive this information in your email. Boom! And you're ready to rock and roll. By the way, we have another aspect here, which is retrograde. All right. All this week, we're going to have retrograde in this major planet. All right. I got to tell you guys, this is no longer a coincidence. This is a pattern, and I'm going to learn this in and out no matter what. I do videos in Spanish and in English. This is my first one, or this case in English. Anyway, I hope you have a nice weekend and good luck next week trading the market. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Okay. Bye.